Here's a new 2026 Mitsubishi Outlander. This Outlander is the family-friendly crossover utility vehicle waiting to hit the trail with a perfect balance of power, performance, and an unforgettable ride. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: continuously variable automatic transmission, dual-zone climate control, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming rearview mirror, front heated bucket seats, Wi-Fi hotspot, streaming audio, active grille shutters, doors and push-button start proximity key, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Mitsubishi has a vehicle designed just for you, no matter what road you're inspired to travel down. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.